Welcome to our video on the top 5 best ASUS laptops of 2025. ASUS laptops cater to every need. Gamers thrive with ROG Strix's high refresh displays and RTX GPUs. Creators excel on Vivobook Pro's color-accurate screens and DialPad. Zenbook Duo redefines multitasking with dual OLED screens. Lightweight Vivobook Go Slim offers everyday reliability. All feature robust builds, Windows 11, and MIL-STD durability. Choose ASUS, performance perfected. So, let's get started. Number 5. ASUS Vivobook Go Slim, lightweight power for everyday brilliance. The ASUS Vivobook Go is a sleek, affordable laptop designed for students, professionals, and on-the-go users who prioritize portability without sacrificing essential performance. Combining a lightweight build with practical features, it's perfect for everyday tasks, remote work, and casual entertainment. 15.6 nanoinch display. The ultra-slim bezel design maximizes screen real estate, offering an immersive viewing experience. With a smooth 60 Hz refresh rate, 45% NTSC color gamut, and 250 nit brightness, it delivers crisp visuals for streaming, browsing, or productivity. And the Ryzen 5 7520U processor. Built for thin and light laptops, this energy-efficient CPU ensures snappy performance for multitasking, web browsing, and light gaming. Integrated AMD Radeon graphics handle casual titles and creative apps, while optimized power consumption extends battery life. 8 GB RAM plus 512 GB SSD. The 8 GB LPDDR5 memory effortlessly manages everyday apps, while the 512 GB PCIe SSD provides speedy boot times and ample storage for documents, media, and software. Seamless connectivity. Stay connected with Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 5.1, ensuring fast wireless transfers and stable connections to peripherals like headphones, mice, or smartphones. Sonic Master Audio. Enjoy rich, immersive sound with ASUS Sonic Master tuned speakers, ideal for video calls, movies, or music. The built-in array microphone enhances voice clarity during meetings or recordings. Weighing just 1.4 kilograms and measuring 17.9 millimeters thin, the Vivobook Go Slim slips easily into backpacks for daily commutes or travel. Its minimalist design, available in multiple colors, balances style and functionality. The next is ASUS Zenbook Duo laptop, redefining productivity and portability. The ASUS Zenbook Duo is a revolutionary dual-screen laptop designed for multitaskers, creators, and professionals who demand versatility without compromising power. Seamlessly blending innovation with portability, it transforms how you work, create, and collaborate. Key features: multi-screen versatility. Switch effortlessly between modes. Expand your workspace in dual screen or desktop mode. Share ideas in sharing mode, or snap back to laptop mode. The Zenbook Duo adapts to your workflow, boosting efficiency. Ultra-portable design. At just 3.64 pounds and 0.78 thin, this laptop redefines portability. The detachable Bluetooth keyboard and built-in kickstand make it as easy to carry as a traditional laptop, yet infinitely more flexible. Powerhouse performance. Equipped with an Intel Core Ultra 7 to 155H processor, Intel Arc graphics, and 16 GB LPDDR5X RAM, the Zenbook Duo handles AI-driven tasks, heavy multitasking, and creative projects. A 1 TB SSD ensures rapid access to files and apps. Windows Copilot AI Assistant. Leverage Copilot in Windows for instant answers, creative prompts, and task automation. Generate images, draft content, or streamline workflows with AI-powered precision. Dual 14 ASUS Lumina OLED displays. Experience stunning visuals with Dual 14 1920 by 1200 OLED touchscreens, offering 500 nit HDR brightness, 100% DCI-P3 color accuracy, and Pantone validation. Perfect for design, editing, or immersive entertainment. Military-grade durability. Built to MIL-STD standards, the Zenbook Duo survives drops, extreme temps, and humidity, ensuring reliability whether you're traveling or working remotely. Next is Number 3. ASUS TUF Gaming A17. Unleash your gaming potential. The ASUS TUF Gaming A17 is a rugged, high-performance laptop built to dominate demanding games and multitasking. Combining robust hardware with gamer-centric features, it's designed to deliver a seamless and immersive experience for casual and competitive players alike. Key features: ready for anything. Powered by Windows 11 and AMD Ryzen 7 7735HS processor, and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 laptop GPU at 140 watts max TGP, the A17 handles AAA titles and intensive tasks with ease. Fast memory and storage. Multitask effortlessly with 16 GB of DDR5 to 4800 HZ RAM, while 1 TB of PCIe 4.0 storage ensures rapid load times. An additional SSD slot offers hassle-free upgrades for expanding your game library. Never miss a moment. The 17.3-inch FHD 144Hz display with adaptive sync eliminates stuttering and screen tearing, delivering ultra-smooth visuals. Stay ahead in fast-paced games with reduced input lag and fluid motion clarity. Blow away the competition. Equipped with dual 84-blade arc flow fans, the A17 efficiently dissipates heat from its high-core CPU, ensuring sustained peak performance during marathon gaming sessions. MUX switch with advanced Optimus. The MUX switch boosts gaming performance by routing frames directly to the display, while advanced Optimus auto switches between GPUs to optimize battery life during non-gaming tasks. The ASUS TUF Gaming A17 strikes a perfect balance between power, durability, and value. With its high refresh display, advanced cooling, and future-ready hardware, it's an ideal choice for gamers seeking relentless performance without compromise. Whether you're battling rivals or conquering new worlds, the A17 is your ultimate gaming ally. The next is Number 2. ASUS Vivobook Pro 16X Laptop. Redefining creativity and portability. The ASUS Vivobook Pro 16X is a powerhouse designed for creators, blending innovative tools, robust performance, and durability to elevate productivity and creativity. Whether you're editing videos, designing graphics, or multitasking on the go, this laptop delivers seamless efficiency. Key features: ASUS DialPad, intuitive physical controller. The unique ASUS DialPad offers precise fingertip control over parameters in creative apps like Adobe Photoshop or Premiere Pro, streamlining workflows and enhancing precision for artists and editors. Super smooth editing and rendering. Powered by an Intel Core i9 processor, NVIDIA GeForce RTX graphics, and NVIDIA Studio drivers, the Vivobook Pro 16X accelerates rendering, video editing, and live streaming, ensuring professional-grade performance. Generous 16-inch immersive display. The expansive 16-inch nano-edge display with ultra-slim bezels provides vibrant visuals and a near-borderless experience, ideal for detailed design work or immersive content consumption. Military-grade durability. Tested against the MIL-STD 810G military standard, this laptop withstands extreme conditions, offering reliability for creators who work in diverse environments. Evolved cooling system. ASUS iSchool Pro thermal technology, with upgraded heat pipes and dual fans, ensures efficient heat dissipation, maintaining performance during intensive tasks without overheating. Long-lasting 90Wh battery. The high-capacity battery supports hours of creative work, letting you edit, design, or brainstorm outdoors or in cafes without constant charging anxiety. The ASUS Vivobook Pro 16X is more than a laptop. It's a creative companion. With its DialPad, powerhouse specs, stunning display, and rugged build, it empowers creators to push boundaries anywhere. The next is Number 1. ASUS ROG Strix G18, the ultimate gaming laptop. The ASUS ROG Strix G18 is a gaming laptop built to deliver unparalleled performance and immersive visuals. Designed for gamers and creators, it combines hardware with innovative features to redefine your gaming experience. Key features: power up your play. The Strix G18 is powered by Windows 11 Pro, a 14th Gen Intel Core i9 to 14900 HX processor, and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 laptop GPU at 140 watts max TGP. This powerhouse ensures smooth gameplay and top-tier performance for even the most demanding games. Blazing fast memory and storage. With 16 GB of DDR5 to 5600 MHz memory and 1 TB of PCIe 4x4 storage in RAID 0, multitasking is effortless, and loading times are drastically reduced, keeping you ahead of the competition. ROG Intelligent Cooling. Featuring upgraded liquid metal on the CPU and GPU, along with a third intake fan, the Strix G18 maintains optimal temperatures during extended gaming sessions, ensuring sustained performance. ROG Nebula Display. The QHD 240Hz/3 display with 100% DC IP3 color gamut and Pantone validation offers stunning visuals, making every frame vivid and lifelike. MUX switch with Advanced Optimus. The MUX switch boosts gaming performance by 5 to 10%, while Advanced Optimus automatically switches between GPUs to optimize battery life without sacrificing power. The ASUS ROG Strix G18 is a gaming beast, combining top-tier hardware, advanced cooling, and a stunning display. Whether you're gaming or creating, this laptop is built to exceed expectations. Elevate your play with the Strix G18, so this is the best option for you to buy.